Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello and good morning. My name is Tshebetso Rampete and I'm the founder as well as creative director of Rampscom. Rampscom is a full-service creative agency with 9 years experience in creative as well as digital projects. We offer a wide array of services ranging from branding, website design as well as development, and digital marketing. I started Rampscom because I saw a gap between small businesses and how they market their business as well as expose the image of their business. That's where I come in. It's my job at Rampscom to make sure that dream becomes your reality. You can reach us on Facebook at Rampscom, on Twitter at Rampscom, LinkedIn at Rampscom, also through our website at www.rampscom.co.za. Hi, my name is Tshebetso and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.